Welcome to solution of sample paper of Vedic Maths category 2, Vedic Maths All Goa Vedic Mathematics test. First question on the sample paper is 1000024. 3 zeros are there into 100026. First, you should identify which is the easiest method for this, and answer is Bayes method. But both these are very near to 1 and 5 zeros. Number of zeros you know just by counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 and 5 zeros. The difference is very simple. We just say, just remove this, you get difference 24 here, 26. Now, if you know multiplication special case, you can use it directly 2 into 3. Okay, so I'll just show you here if some of you don't know, but otherwise you use crisscross. Crisscross is known to all. So here, because it's a special case, the digits at tens place are same and this sum is 10. You can use 2 into 3, 4 into 6. This is 6. This is 24. 6 to 4. Okay. But then if you don't know this, then you will use crisscross. 4 into 6, 24. 4 carry 2. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus this is 8, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 again carry 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus carry 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So you can easily get it through crisscross if you don't know this. This is not included in part 2. This is there in part 1 as well as it is there in part 3. But part 2, this is not included. So then because there are 5 zeros, whereas you are getting 3 digits here, so you have to put 2 zeros. This is a very, very important part. Number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zeros in the base. Cross addition, I'm not checking the chat box, some are answering something. Only if you have got doubt, you can just say repeat orally only because I'm not checking the chat box. 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, carry 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus carry 1, 5. Then this part will be as it is 0, 0, 0, 1. So final answer 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0. This 1 0 and there are 2 zeros. So all of you better you concentrate instead of answering through chat box because I'm solving the full paper. Any doubt you can stop me in between, or if you want to repeat just tell me to repeat. The first question is over. Next, convert number to vinculum. 2864. This we want to convert to vinculum. To convert vinculum, what you say is start from rightmost digit, go till the first digit. Wherever digits are above 5, you take complement. And whenever you take complement, put dash on the top of that digit and add 1 to the previous. So 4 will remain as it is. 6 is above 5, so take complement. Complement of 6 is 4. Put dash, add 1. Now very important part is you should not add. This becomes 9, and you take complement of 9. That is 1. Put dash, add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 3 bar 1 bar 4, 4. Okay, so topic here was normal number to vinculum number. Third topic is square of 107. Square of 107.
Square of 107.
What you said?
Square of 107. The third question.
Yeah, so that I'm writing here like this. So method, this is a Bayes method of squaring because 107 is near to 100. So 107, next you have to write difference. Difference is the base. 107 minus 100 is 7. Put line and other side what you are writing is square of difference. 7 square is 49. Again same rule applies here. Number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zeros in the base. Base here is 100. 100 has got 2 zeros, so you are getting required digits. So no adjustment required. Just add this 107 plus 7 is 114 and this is 49. So answer is 11449. Fifth question, what is complement of 2500? Now we have studied that when there are zeros at the end, they remain as it is. Okay, zeros at the end, last right in the right side, if you got zero, they will remain as it is. And for remaining part, you have to just apply that standard rule: all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 2 is 7, last from 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7, 5, 0, 0. Sixth question is on complement. Complement of some big number is asked.
Fourth
Fourth one, what happened?
Sir, fourth one Purna.
Fourth. Okay, fourth one is very simple. Zeros at the end remains as it is, and all this is a complement question. I hope all of you have paper with you. Complement is all from 9, last from 10. Okay, so zeros, if there are zeros to the right, those zeros you have to keep as it is, and for remaining part you have to just okay, fourth one, yeah, fourth, sorry, I made a okay, sorry.
You
Sorry,
see that
I'm mistaken. I thought you have not understood this. Sorry for that. We have missed fourth question. Okay.
Sir, interview side now.
Okay, the आवाज वेदांचा आवाज क्लिअर करणार ना समजा the fourth कोरोना म्हणतो म्हणून ते करुणा ते okay we'll do that, but before that we'll complete this and come to fourth. Okay, thank you. Sorry for that. I mistaken your message. This is again a complement. This is again complement. This fifth and sixth is a complement topic. But understand that this is easier compared with this, because here you should know that zeros should remain as it is. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And last from 10. Okay. So that was simple. Just all from 9, last from 10. And sorry that I missed fourth question. 9. Your message was not clear. That's why I took it wrong message. So this is ending with 5. Simplest question actually. 99 ending with 5. Understand the topic. Topic is squares of number ending with 5. So you take the digit before 5, that is 99 here. Next number is 100. Second part here is always 5 square ending with 5. So this is 9900 multiplying by 100. We just put zeros. 5 square is 25. Sorry, now it is seventh question. Sixth we already finished. Seventh is problem is on crisscross. Understand, moment you see the question, you should try to understand what should be the topic, easiest topic for doing this. 1, 3, 2, 2. Okay, this is a crisscross 4 digit by 4 digit. First step 2 into 2, 4. Second step 6. This is 6. This is 4. 6 plus 4. So 0, carry 1. This is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Carry 1 again. Fourth main step. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus 1, 18. Again carry 1. Now next step, fifth step is just this. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Again there is a carry. Next step, 3 plus 2, 5. Plus carry 1, 6. So carry is gone now. And next 1 into 1 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps, 7 digit answer. Eighth question. 6, 8, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 1. So it is series of 1. 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next you have to add all 3. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 6 plus 8 is, sorry, third step, there is 1 carry. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 carry 1. Next is 6 6 plus 8, 14 plus carry, again it becomes 15, again carry 1, and then 6 plus that carry 1, 7. 7, 5, 5, 9, 1. Okay, anybody has doubt so far? Can I remove this screen now?
No, sir. No, sir. Wait.
If you're taking more time, it's better you go through recording and copy it afterwards.
Yes, sir. Remove.
Because what happens is if you just concentrate fully, it's better, and then go through recording and then copy, take your notes. You're understanding? So because if you are copying simultaneously while I'm explaining, again you lose the explanation. So ideal situation is fully concentrate in the solution. You'll get the recording. So go through recording, and that time you copy. Because right now when you are attending, if you have got any doubts, you can clarify. While recording, when you're listening to the recording, you cannot clarify anything. That time you can copy. Okay, I can remove now.
Yes, sir. Remove.
Now, ninth question, actually,
Sir, remove.
what you said? Yes, remove. Ninth question is actually crisscross, because there is no, you can use Bayes method, but Bayes method also, if you use, you'll have to use crisscross. But the best option, you can directly use crisscross if you are thorough with that 6 into 8, these combinations, if you are thorough with this. But ideal solution for this, best solution is convert to vinculum and then use crisscross. Okay, so this will be the easiest solution, but it requires a lot of practice. So let's try now. So I'm converting the full number into vinculum, and then for vinculum I'll be using crisscross, and then final answer, if it is in vinculum, I'll convert back to normal. So 6 is above 4, take complement, put dash, add 1. So 7 becomes 8. Complement of 8 is 2, put dash, add 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Complement of 9 is 1, put dash, add 1. Nothing is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, 8 above 5. So take complement. Complement of 8 is 2. Put dash, add 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Put dash, add 1. So this 7 becomes 8. Complement of that is 2. Put dash, add 1. And now multiply. Now understand that this multiplication is faster than doing this, because they are all simple numbers. 1, 2, and 4 only are there. Minus, only thing you should know that minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. That you should know. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. This is plus 4. This is plus 4. Minus 2 is plus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is again plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then next, this is 2 plus 2. This is plus 8. Plus 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2 plus 12. So 2 carry 1. Okay. Minus minus is plus. So it's 2 plus 8, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry. Now main step, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Okay, this is a minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. This is 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. And then you have got this plus 1, so it becomes 0. See here, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Plus 2 plus 4 is 5. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. And then there is 1 carry here, plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Next step, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3, this is plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Next, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. And last step, 1 into 1 is 1. So now, because there are dash on some digit, you have to convert 8, 8, 2, 0. This is negative, so take complement. This is now vinculum to normal. Reduce 1 means this will become minus 4. This will become minus 4. Complement of that is 6. So answer is 690,288. You can check with the calculator, it is correct. Anybody has doubt in this So what we have done is converted to
No, sir.
simple, solved, and then this is a vinculum number converted back to normal. 10th question is normal base method, less than base. 999. 4 nines are there. 4 and then 99992. Okay, this is a base method less than the base. So when it is less than the base, whatever number of digits, those many zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. For finding difference, you can use all from 9, last from 10. Starting 9s you can ignore because it will give all 0. Last from 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, minus 6. 10 minus 2 is 8, minus 8. Minus 6 into minus 8 is plus 48. There are 5 zeros, so 3 zeros you'll have to put to match number of zeros in the base. 94 minus 8 is 86. 94 minus 8 is 86. So 999, 94 will change to 86. 94 minus 8. So answer is 99986000048. Base method of multiplication less than base. Question number 11. Convert normal to vinculum. The number given is 8796. 8796. You have to convert to vinculum. 6 is above 5. Take complement. Put dash. Add 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. So carry 1 here. This becomes 8 now. 6 above 5, take complement, put dash, add 1. So 9 becomes 10. 10 out of 10, we are taking 0. Carry 1 here. So 7 becomes 8. Complement of 8 is 2. Put dash, add 1. So this becomes 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Put dash, add 1. Nothing is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is a positive 1. 1, bar 1, bar 2, 0, bar. Twelfth is vinculum to normal. 4 bar 3 bar 2. Okay, in the printout, dash is put on the below because it's not possible directly to put on the top. But it's written in the bracket. So to convert vinculum to normal, start from rightmost digit. Wherever digits are negative, take complement. Complement of 2 is 8, and then reduce 1. This is minus 3. Minus 1 is minus 4. It becomes minus 4. Complement of that is 6. Reduce 1 means 4 will become 3. 1 as it is, 2 is negative. So converting vinculum to normal, negative numbers you have to take complement. And whenever you take complement, reduce 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Complement is 6. Reduce 1. 13 also same topic, converting normal to vinculum. 1 bar 2 bar 4 1 bar 3. 3 negative, take complement. Reduce 1 means this will become 0. 4 negative, take complement. Complement of 4 is 6. Reduce 1 means this will become minus 3. Complement of that is 7. Okay, so any doubts so far? Fourteen is yesterday's topic, cubes. 42 cube. Yesterday we have done this. First step, cube of first digit. First digit is 4 here. 4 cube is 64. 1 to 9 cubes you should know by heart. Ratio between first digit and second digit. First digit is 4, second digit is 2. We want to get 1 here, so divide both sides by the same number, whatever is this number. Divide both sides so that it nullifies the effect. 4 divided by 4 is 1. This also you can simplify. 1 into 2 is 4. So here what remains is half. So to just make it half. 64 into half. That means 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, very important cross check we have. The third number generated should be cube of second digit. Second digit here is 2. 2 cube is 8. Double middle next step. And then add 8. This is 48. This is 96. And this is 64. Last digit is 8. Second last digit is 8. This 4 will add here. See this carefully. This becomes hundreds. 96 plus 4 is 100. Out of that, you are taking 0. And this full 10 will add here. That is 74. 64 plus 10. So 74088. Okay, yesterday we have done this topic. Okay, so any doubts so far? Can I remove this screen? As I said, copy it afterwards, go through recording. Okay, I'll remove.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, thank you. So next is question number 15. Question number 15 is finding quotient remainder. If you divide, this is second last session, the third last session, sorry, not yesterday, before that we had taken this. 1143 divided by 89. 1143 divided by 89 is the question. First step is put it in this format. Write number here. This is divisor. Then find what is the base. 89. Base is 100. 89 is quite near to 100. 100 is a base. So 100 has got 2 zeros. So 2 digits for remainder. Next, find difference. To find difference, you can just use all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Next, take first digit down as it is. And then multiply like this. 11 into 1 is 11. You have to put digit by digit. Okay. Then next, add next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. And now 2 is a multiplying factor. 11 into 2 is 22. So 2 will come here. Other 2 will come here. When you get digit for the last position, it's the end of it. Just put the line, add this. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So answer is quotient is 12. Remainder is 75. Question number 16 is square. Square of 1089. 1089 square. Okay. So here you can use base, base method of squaring only. We have studied 4 methods of square in part 2. Squares of number ending with 5, squares of squares base method above base, squares base method less than the base, and then squares of any 2 digit. So this will fit under criteria base method of squaring above base. 1089. Write number as it is. Next, write difference. Any other method you can suggest here? Anybody wants to suggest any other method for this? 1089. Sorry, 89 square you can find using squares of any 2 digit number. 8 square, 2 into 8 into 9. 9 square, this is 64. 8 into 9 is 72, into 2 is 144, and 9 square is 81. So this 8 will add here, that is 152. So out of that, sorry, I'll take number here. This is 2. This 15 will add here. is 79. 7921. Actually, I selected wrong option for 89. 89 you could have done easily using base method of squaring less than the base. 11, 121. 11 square is 121. This is 7, 8. And then this one is carry because base here is 100. So plus 1, 7, 9. So this would have been faster. I actually selected wrong option here. Instead of this is faster to get 89 square. 7921. Base here is 1000. This is 1089. So this is extra. So that you'll have to add to the left. Before that, you have to add this 9 plus 9, 18, 8, carry 1. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1 here, 1. And then it will add this 7 here. 8 plus 1, 15, carry 1, 8, 1, 1. And final answer 1185, 921. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next is square. This is straightforward, like 2-digit squares. 63 square, 6 square, that is 36. Okay, write the steps. 6 square, 2 into 6 into 3, 3 square. 6 square is 36. 2 into 6, 12, 12 into 3 again 36. This is 9. 9, 6. This 3 will add here 39. So answer is 3969. Answer of this 3969. This is a simple straightforward problem compared with the last problem. Then problem number 18 is square of 9989. I think similar problem here. No. Okay. 9989 is so base method of squaring less than the base. Base here will be 10,000, 4 zeros. 9. Okay, I'll take it down because there's no space there. First write number as it is. Next write difference. Difference you can just use all from 9, last from 10. Starting 9 you can ignore. 9 minus 8 is 1, last from 10. 11 square is 121. If you don't know, you just use 11 into 11 series of 1. Base will have 4 zeros, so 1 zero is required. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 will remain as it is, and the right hand side 0, 1, 2, 1. 9978 0, 1, 2, 1. Okay, can remove this screen?
No, sir.
No or yes?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is copying. If you if you're left to copy something, you can go through recording. I said to save over time.
Remove.
Okay.
Sir, remove.
Okay. Next 19 square root, yesterday's topic. Okay, so like this, we are revising all topics also. Square root of square is given. We are finding square root. Yesterday's topic, the given square is 5184. 5184. So square root we have two answers, dash dash or dash dash. Take the last digit, take square root of that. Square root of 4 is 2. In other words, 2 square is 4. The other option is complement. Complement of 2 is 8 here. Next step, remove last 2 digits. Sorry, this is 1 here. 5184. So when you remove last 2 digits, what remains is 51 is between 7 square, that is 49, and 8 square, that is 64. So just clearly understand it, it is between 49 and 64. So we have to take lower side, so 7. So answer is either 72 or 78. To know correct answer, you have to calculate middle 75 square. And 75 square is 7 into 8, 56, 25, 5625. Now if you see 5184 is less than 5684, Because this is less, you take lower out of the 2. So answer is 72. So answer of question number 19 is 72. Question 998.9. Okay, let's just concentrate here carefully. 9.6. Now, first thing, whenever these are questions with a decimal point, just ignore decimal point and solve, and then finally place the decimal. In multiplication, you have seen that final answer decimal places should be sum of this decimal place. So one decimal place is a 1, 1 plus 1. Two decimal places you have to take from the right after solve. So now, if you consider a number without decimal point, the question becomes 9989 multiplied by 996. Now there is still problem because this is with the base 1000, this is with the base, sorry, this is a base 10,000 and this is 1000. 9,989 is near to 10,000 and 996 is near to 1000. But we want same base, and for that what you do is multiply this by 10. If you multiply by this 10, then it will be 9960, so it will be near to 10,000. But you cannot just multiply by 10. Final answer you should divide by 10. Now if you apply this, now new problem will be 9989. After applying this will be into 9960. Now this becomes perfect problem for multiplication base method less than the base. Base here is 10,000, 4 zeros. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Minus sign. Now, when it is 0, zeros you should keep as it is and then apply. Just now we have referred that complement. So here this is all 0. Last from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 0 remains as it is. 11 into 4 is 44. Okay. So base is 10,000. So 1 0 is required here. Subtraction this way is easy. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9. So answer here is 994904440. Then you have to apply this part, that is divide by 10. With that answer will be 9949044. 0 is gone, divide by 10. And finally you have to apply this 2 decimal places, 1 2. So final answer is decimal point will come here. So if you don't write decimal point, it will be wrong answer. Okay. Now next question is cube root. Here you are learning something new, which we are not covered yesterday's topics. 274400. Now whenever there are zeros at the end, you will get 3 zeros. It will be always 3 zeros when it is cube. This is a cube and you are finding cube root. Here is the cube and you are finding cube root. Yesterday's topic, only new thing is there are zeros at the end. 3 zeros will convert to 1 0. And then this part you have to apply the same rule as we have studied yesterday. So now consider only this question and solve it. So we know that this answer here is 2 digit. 4 remains as it is. And then remove last 3 digit. What remains is 2 is between 1 cube, that is 1, and 2 cube, that is 8. This 2 is between 1 and 8. We take lower side, so it is 1. So 14 is the answer of this, and then there is a 0. So just write 14 before that, and our answer is 140. Only new thing is zeros, if at all it comes at the end, it will be 3 or 6 or 9. Each 3 0 will convert to 1 0. And this you solve as a normal as what we have studied yesterday. Okay, second question is straightforward question, like how we have solved yesterday. That is again cube root of 474,552. 552. Okay. So you know that is a cube of 2 digits. So cube root answer will be 2. 2, 3, 2378 we said you should remember and take complement of it. Remove last 3 digit. What remains is 474. This is a 4. So that is between 7 cube, that is 343, and 8 cube, that is 512. 1 to 7, 1 to 9 cubes you should know by heart, so that you know that it is between this. So lower side is 7. 78 is the answer. Twenty-three question is on square root, but here again there is something extra. 4, 3, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 6, the actual number, and you can see there are 4 zeros here. This is square, so square what will happen is every 2 zeros will convert to 1 zero. This 2 zero will convert to 1 zero in square root. This next two set will convert, and then you have to find out what is the answer with a normal 4, 3, 5, 6, like what we have studied yesterday. So whatever answer you get, you write here. 2 zeros converts to 1 zero, so these 4 zeros will convert to 2 zero. Now this will do it in normal dash dash or dash dash. So this is 6. 6 means 6 and 4. You take 6 and 4. If you want, you take 4 first, but does not make a difference. Then remove last 2 digit. 43 is between 6 square, that is 36, and 7 square, that is 49. Okay. 43 is very clear. It is between 36 and 49. So lower side we take, so 66 or 64. 6. So now here you have to calculate 65 square. 65 square you can easily calculate. 6 into 7 is 42. 5 square is 25. 4225 65 square. And now if you see this 4356 is greater. This is greater. So you take greater out of the 2. The greater value here is 66. Because 4356 is more than 4225. Whatever two answers you have, you take greater out of that. That is 66. So final answer is 6600. This is the final answer. Final answer 6600. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. So I'll remove this and we'll go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Last two are very important question, different type. 24th question, which says using 3 different Vedic methods, you have to calculate 993 into 997. Now, first point is 993 into 997 is actually special case, but some of you don't know this. But those who know, you can use that method. Okay, so simplest method, first method I will take multiplication special case. You take 99 common, next number is 100. But now this topic is not included in the part 2 syllabus. But those who know, if you are free to use that if you know, but you have to indicate steps. You have to indicate that you are using Vedic method. It says that you have to use 3 different Vedic methods. But we'll try to solve in 4 methods because this is not known to some students who have joined directly part 2. Okay, so next, this is actually, if you don't consider this, the next easiest topic here is base method less than the base. Base here is 1000. So all from 9, last from 10, ignore starting 9. So this is 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 7 is minus 7 into minus 3 is 21. 3 zeros, so 1 zero is required. 993 minus 3, 990. Okay, not that is also quite simple. You don't require this 990021. Base method of multiplication less than base. Third, you can always use crisscross. Crisscross will take like time, but you can use it. I'll write steps so that you are clear that it works clearly. 21 carry 2. Next, 9 into 7 plus 3 into 9 plus carry 2. 9 into 7 is 63 plus 3 into 9 is 27. This gives you 0, 8, 9 and then 2, 92. So 2, 9 carry. Answer is 92, carry 2. Next step, main step, 9 into 7 plus 3 into 9 plus 9 into 9. Plus there is 9 carry. 9 carry of previous step. Okay, now here for exam, if you just write one step is enough. Okay. So actually you can manipulate here, just write one step and you can copy this answer as long as you know this is perfect answer. Okay. So I'm just showing the steps for that so that all can understand, but otherwise you don't require to perform all this. Just show one step indicating that we are using crisscross and right answer. So this is 63 plus this is 27 plus, sorry, 63 plus 27 will do first because that is easier. This becomes 90 plus this is 81. So that gives you 117 and then 9. So 180. So out of this 180, you will take only 0 and carry 18. Answer of this is 180. So 0, carry 18. Next step, 9 into 9, 9 into 9. 9 into 9 plus 9 into 9 plus 18 of previous. So 81 plus 81, 9 into 9, 81. This will give you 162. 162 plus that carry 18, 0, 7, 1. 17 is carry. Answer of this is 170. So 0 you write 17. Sorry, not 17. There's a mistake here. This is a 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 carry 1. So 18. 180. Okay, just note there's a mistake. So 0 you have to write here and 18 you have to carry. And last step is 9 into 9 plus 18. That is 9 into 9 is 81 plus 18 is 99. 1 plus 8, 9, 8 plus 1, 9. So 99002. Okay, so for this particular question, you don't require to show all these steps, but you require to show at least one step indicating which method you are using. And the fourth method is convert this to Vinculum. Just now we have done one problem, problem number 9. Problem number 9, what we did, converted to Vinculum and solve. So that is the fourth method you can consider. Convert this Vinculum and then use crisscross. 3 as it is, 9 is above 5, so take complement, complement 9 is 1, put dash, add 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, so you write 10 as it is. 7 above 5, so take complement, put dash, add 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0, carry 1 here, 9 plus 1 is 10. Now multiply. Now this is much easier. Just understand now that you have done actually this full thing. Understand that this is much easier. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So you have to write 9 bar. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. This is 0. So this will become 3. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0, one number is 0 means 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next, fourth step, minus 3 plus 3, 0. 0, 0. Simple, you can say. Next, 0, this is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1. This is 0. So final effective answer is minus 1. 0, minus 1, 0. 0, 0 is 0. And last step, 1 into 1 is 1. See, so simple calculation. And just now convert. You should be thorough with the converting Vinculum to normal. 9 negative, take complement, reduce 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0, 0. This is negative, take complement, complement of 1 is 9. Reduce 1 means this 0 becomes -1. -1 means you have to take complement. Complement of 1 is 9. Reduce 1 means this will become 0. So just note that how vinculum helps you. Only thing you should be thorough with the conversion normal to vinculum, vinculum to normal. So I solved 4 methods. You can do any 3 out of these 4. So here we have used multiplication special case, which is not part of your part 2 topic actually. This is base method less than base. This is direct crisscross, and this is vinculum with crisscross. Multiplication special case, base method of multiplication less than base, direct crisscross. Here vinculum and crisscross. Convert first vinculum and then. Okay. Yeah, those who know this, you can use it. That is allowed. But as this was not there part of, or this is not in the syllabus, I showed you 4 methods. But those who know, you can definitely use it. But you should indicate steps. See, finally it says you use different Vedic methods. So it is Vedic method, so it is allowed. Okay, I'll remove this. So last question is today's topic. 3 different Pythagoras triplet for 10. Okay, today's topic. 10, you take square of it. 10 square is 100. And then find all possible factors A and B. First is 100 and 1. Second is 50 and 2. 50 into 2 is 100. Third is 25 into 4. 25 into 4 is 100. Fourth you can also get is 20 into 5. And fifth is 10 into 10. But fifth is not allowed. So it is asking 3. So you can solve any 3 out of these 4. So I'll solve all. And the method is a minus b upon 2, a plus b upon 2. First 101, 100 minus 1 upon 2, 100 plus 1 upon 2. This is 99 upon 2. This is 101 upon 2. This will be 49.5. This will be 50.5. It's very clear with this only. And so triplet, first triplet is 10, 49.5, 50.5. Second will go for 50 and 2. 50 minus 2 upon 2. 50 plus 2 upon 2. This is 48 upon 2. This is 52 upon 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. This is 26. So triplet is 10, 24, 26. Third, 25 plus 25 and 4. 25 minus 4 upon 2. 25 plus 4 upon 2. This is 21 upon 2. And this is 29 upon 2. This is 10.5 when you divide. This will be 14.5. So triplet is 10, 10.5, 14.5. Okay, and the fourth and the last is 20 and 5. 20 minus 5 upon 2. 20 plus 5 upon 2. So this is 15 upon 2. This is 25 upon 2. This is 7.5. This is 12.5. So triplet is 10, 7.5, 12.5. Okay, so if anybody has noted the time, we could complete the full solution within 45 minutes. So note that I explain each and every step and solved it. After explaining also, we could solve it in 45 minutes. Anybody has noted the time?
Yes, sir.
So that means
Yes, sir.
easily it is possible without explanation. Easily it is possible within 30 minutes. Okay. So that completes our solution. I'll